we have to copy it, and we have to paste it here. Paste. This is how we need to edit the Gradle. Then, after editing the Gradle, even if it is still processing, let us see if we have a layout. Layout has not yet come. Let us wait for it so that we can also edit the codes as required. So it is delaying. It is because we are connected to the internet. For you, install the Android Studio when you are connected to Android Studio and download and configure all required libraries and files. But when you are running programs, don't connect yourself to the internet. Because when you are connected to the internet, so again, it tries to download and configure all the same files and do whatever. So in that case, you are delayed. So for me, I cannot disconnect to the internet because I'm presenting and we are online. But when you are doing your self practice, don't run your programs when you are connected to the internet. Because always Android Studio try to download and configure the files again, and this delays you. So I hope everyone has finished installing the Android Studio. So the requirement for Android Studio is a GDK Java development kit, GDK 8, 1.8. So if you have that kind of GDK, then you can install and run your Android project successfully without any constraint. Now, I hope it is finishing. So it is successfully finished. Having to wait again. It is still processing. Okay, indexing resources is now finishing. Application, Java. Okay. There is Android, then there is then layout, activity main. Now You can write your codes, but bit of codes are here in text. Okay, I told you you have to edit this here, the layout. It should be linear layout. Linear layout. Then we don't need this. Don't need this. Then the Android orientation. Android orientation. Vertical. The orientation is vertical and padding. Android padding 30 pp is okay. So here our project should display hello world. At maybe because my Android studio is not updated, not seeing it here. Then the tools, I will try to update it. Check for updates. No help. Check for updates. So you need to update it so that it can do things as expected. But the codes are these ones to display hello world. Okay, so to run build and run the codes, you can either use the phone, or we can use the AVD Android virtual device. So it is looking for available devices. They will be listed. So my virtual devices are being listed. They are displayed. I can choose one and try to run my program there. But as you can remember, they are not working properly. I will test it. Then, so the one we have installed today is this one and this one. Okay, before we launch it, because it can cause our computer to the latest stable Android video is now available for download. And then we release update and restart. Let me update my IDE so that it can work properly. Because when it is not updated, it cannot function as expected. And it can do nothing if it has not finished. So as it is downloading, we can go back into our presentation. So we saw how to create a new project. So we have chosen the empty project as a type of project we create. Then we have to set the activity name and how to name. It is better to leave the default values. Then I showed you how to edit the general properties of our project. So it should be linear layout. Then Android orientation should be vertical. Then the layout margin, you can set the layout margin. So then after step number 5, we need to update the Gradle.properties. Gradle.properties is updated. There is a line by default. There is a line which is not connected. We have to connect it and add this line. Yes, to make it work properly. So we need to update our codes. So I showed you how we can update our codes so that we can display the hello world. Then the hello world is here. So I run it by using my smartphone, but we can also run it by using the AVD, Android virtual device. So you have to choose to run it on your mobile device like a tablet or smartphone. So I told you in the previous presentation that you have to enable or to activate the developer options. To activate the developer options, you have to go in your smartphone settings, then you find settings. They are here, settings. And then go to systems. And then you have to go to about the phones. Then you will see build number, type there many times, at least 7. So you will get a message, you are now a developer. If the message comes, it's okay. Now you will have to update, to turn on the USB debugging mode. Now the developer option has come in system settings, then the developer options, then you have to find USB debugging and you have to turn it on by clicking on it. Then your phone is ready to run your developed Android applications. Then what you have to do is to connect your phone to your mobile to your Android. Then before running your Android application, it will also be listed. Okay, it will also be listed in a list of devices that can be used to run your application. Then you have to choose it. You will see its name. You have to choose it, and then if you run your application by using it, then the application will be installed into your phone, and you will see the output. So these are screenshots of my computer. Then I showed you how you can add other controls, other views to your project. This is, for example, a text view. You can set a text view by opening its tag, text view tag. Then in text view tag, you can set the text view properties, the layout width, so it is better to use much parent. Then height, wrap, content, the text which will be displayed. It is Android login application. Then size 20 dp and the color, in our case it is green. So it is here, Android login application. Android login application. Then the first text view is the Android login application. Android login application. Now, Android login application. Then we can add other controls. The second text view, which is the username. The username, the code of it is displayed on your screens. The username. Then we can set text size, text color is black. Then the margin top, so that it is not, we have to set the distance between the upper text view and our current text view. So by setting the margin top, so we can set the edit text. Edit text, you can see our edit text property, match layout width and height, match parent, and the wrap content. So another text view, you can see it here, which is the password. The password is, you can see it, the password, the edit text. Previously, the first edit text is this one, which can accept users input. Then another edit text, which is this one. Then and a button which is having the background color red and text color white. Text color white, background color red. The text is login, layout width, it is much parent, and layout height, it is wrap content. So the output is displayed here. So after you configure your phone for developer, you have to do such a practice. You have the codes in your slides, and you have the output. You have all steps to configure your phone for developer, developer options, and the USB debugging mode. And also, you know how to install the ADB Android virtual device, so you can either run your Android application using your smartphone, or you can run it by using your AVD. So this is the end of our presentation. Let us see if our update has finished, so that we can run one. Is it updated? I don't know. Let me check if it is updated now. Android text size. Okay, so the update is not visible, but Android and text size. You can set the text size 50 for example, SP, no problem. Then Android color of the text, and set the color to, you have to use hexadecimal value of the text. So first hexadecimal digit represent red, second two hexadecimal digits represent green, and third represent blue. It means our text will be blue because. So if we set it correctly, you will see the color being displayed. Okay, so this is red. If we mix the red and blue, you can see the output color. If we mix the green and blue, the green is here. The green is here. This is the output color. Now we need red, we need blue. So if we can also use black is 0. When there is no color, it means we have a black. So red for the first two digits represents red. If we mix red and green, we get yellow. If red is enough, so when your Android Studio is updated, you automatically see the output here. But you can see we have text is hello world, linear layout is particle. And you can drag and drop some other components for text component. Text, the password is here, plain text is here, password, email, phone, and so on. Depending on the type of control you need, you can drag it and drop it here. It is not being visible because of our Android Studio is not updated. The password, you can drag it and drop it. So as you drag it and drop it, you will see them listed. And you can see in your codes, they are added. You can see we have put the edit text, we have put the password text. They can be visible. So that because our AVD has not disappointed us, we shall run them in the next presentation. Next presentation is on Friday. Please be sure that you have installed all required softwares and you can run at least the first application, Hello World, this login application is easy when your environment is set correctly. So let us stop here. We shall continue on Friday.